How to backwash your pool sand filter. First, always twist the handle clockwise or else you will mess up the multi-port. Second, turn off the pump, then twist the handle clockwise to backwash. Turn pump back on. Wait for 1 to 5 minutes until sight glass is clear. A minute or so later, you will notice the sight glass clear, and that's when you turn off the pump. Then clockwise, turn it to rinse. Turn the pump on for 20 seconds until it's clear, then turn the pump off. Next, turn it back to filter, then turn the pump on, and you're done.